Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2001 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. I did repairs on this truck last week. One of them were brand new brakes on the front. The owner is happy, but he came for that leak from the rear axle seal. Many of you expressed the wish that you would love to see that repair filmed, and so far it looks like I will have time for that. And many of you also expressed the wish that I speak about that rear axle vent valve, the ventilation valve, which could actually, regarding to you, cause of those leaks. You guys say, oh, there can be excessive pressure in that rear axle assembly if that valve doesn't work correctly, right? And that will be cause of the seal blown and the gear fluid will be pushing by that. So let's go and look on that valve. It's a little bit hard to film it against those white walls, right? It creates that unnecessary or unwanted contrast, but this is the valve. You can see on the side of the differential, it's on the driver's side, right? And basically you always have to make sure, and that's what you guys keep bringing up, that when these repairs are done, that seal for example, this needs to be checked for free function, right? And if you look on this one, actually you were right? This one was not moving, was completely stuck, and there was definitely no way that it could have worked correctly. It was like glued by that little bit of tiny oil probably, right, that breathing function, and obviously the dust and dirt from the road. So now it's nicely spinning around and you can see this one finally can work. Was this the reason why this seal started leaking? Possible. So once again, maybe from a little bit different angle, right? This is the valve. You see all that stuff which fell off, right? This was completely glued, not moving, and now it's perfectly free. Excellent. And this video exists totally just because of you guys. You can see that I'm reading those comments and your discussions underneath the videos. Sometimes I don't have a time to answer the questions because I'm extremely busy with building this shop. It's pretty intense, but that was one of the comments I kept reading, and here we go. We have video, we have something to share in this Toyota community. So thank you for that. Be subscribed and be tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.